video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are doing a tech vlog for today. And you are watching my YouTube channel of Future's Lifestyle, Travel, Food, and Tech. And also we're going to check out this brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphone from Samsung Philippines. At we got a first dibs about this phone, so watch this video. So ito na nga, no? I have here the latest Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphone from Samsung Philippines at we got the first dibs before the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. So kung napanood itong video na to, it means that naka-out na siya sa public. And unfortunately, wala pa akong nakuhang tech specs kasi hindi pa nag-start yung launching niya. So after January 18, 2 a.m. sa Galaxy Unpacked, after that, may tech specs na. But for now, we are going to do a hands-on test and show to you the new features of the Samsung Galaxy S24. So on my hand now is the Samsung Galaxy S24. Ito yung medyo maliit siya. The bigger one here is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. At syempre, yung pinakang big daddy of all, it's the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, one of the best ng Samsung ngayon for this year 2024. At ang pinakamaganda nito daw is yung zoom daw nito 50x na daw. Dati 30x ito na may 50x hanggang 100x. Mas maganda na daw yung quality niya. So ayun. Pero I'm much more a Samsung S23 Plus user kasi this video that I'm recording, I'm doing a vlog, is recorded on a Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. Mas gusto ko siya kasi mas malaki. Pero syempre, if you need zoom power, get the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, parang ano lang, we're part of the Samsung family already in using this phone. For example, in my content creation, the camera, the photo, the video, everything is the best. Samsung, the best. Okay, so gawa mo tayo ng let's do a exploration or hands-on test on this new devices. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo yung mga features na bago, which is very na-shock ako, no? Since the age of AI, ngayon, Samsung Galaxy Phone S24 is equipped with yung mga AI tools. You can use it for communication, for writing, for chatting, and also photography, and video. So, papakita ko sa inyo, mama. So, let's do a hands-on test now. Start muna tayo sa Samsung S24 muna. Alright, let's do this. And here we are, the Samsung Galaxy S24. Thank you so much, Samsung Philippines, for letting me feature this. Hindi ko na kailangan pumunta Samsung Galaxy Experience Store sa mga mall just to have a hands-on test on this awesome smartphone devices. So, the size is still the same. Wala naman siyang pinagbago. The form, it's the same. Para sabi nila, the body is titanium. Sabi dun sa video advertisement nila. And the camera module is still, I think, quite the same na rin din. No? Let's check out. This is the rear camera. Camera is LED flash. Ayan. Let's show you the front camera. This is the front camera, as usual. Ganun pa rin tsura niya for the front camera. Ayan. Top is, I think there's a microphone here. Sa left side is very clean. Grabe, ganda ng niya. Ang body pa rin talaga ng Samsung Galaxy phone. There's the SIM tray, microphone, USB Type-C, and hindi ko alam kung ano to, no? Parang first time ko na-encounter to. I'm not much of a fan of this kind of style. Hindi ko maalala kung anong tawag dito. No? Sensya na, no? Kasi yung S23 ko naka-casing, hindi ko rin napapansin eh. The right side is the power button at yung volume. So, let's check it out, yo. So, ganda ng niya. The screen is so nice. Ganda. Linis. The settings. Ba tayo ng information dito? I'm not sure, no? Kasi much more of the information are nakatago na. So, ayan. let's do a video and picture test. Maglalabas lang ako ng mascot ko. Wait lang. So ito yung ating mascot, si Charmander na nakaporma, nakapang-travel outfit. So let's check out the camera of the Samsung S23. So we're shooting at meron siyang zooming in while using the 50 megapixel result in a smaller resolution file. Okay, so naka 12 megapixel lang tayo. I-click this, naka 50 megapixel siya. So let's try the normal photo. Siyempre, ganda ng quality nito. No? Samsung 2 eh. Ganda oh, grabe oh. And let's try the 50 megapixel. Mas mataas yung resolution nito for sure. Ayan. Taas ng quality niya. Tawag dito. Nag-enhance pa yung kanyang color. This is nice. Siyempre, pag photo, tagalin mo yung 20M para magkaroon siya ng wide angle capability. Nice. That's the wide. This is the 1X. Yan, click. This is the 3X. Ganda ng ano niya, parang nag-enhance palalo yung color ng photo. That's the power of the S24. So let's try the video. Siyempre pag video mayroong 30 FPS, there's 60 FPS, FHD, HD, UHD, tsaka 8K video. Siyempre, nung tayo sa FHD, 1080p lang tayo. So let's do a video sweep. Usual, siyempre maganda to pagka Samsung. Kasi I'm using it for vlogging. You can zoom in 3x. Wow! Walang loss ng resolution. And wide ka mag-wide while recording. And while recording, you can switch to the front camera. Eto ako ngayon. Kita nyo, no? Ayan, sana matransfer natin to after this shoot. Playback natin. The microphone is okay. Wow, nice, ha? So, I'm very confident na. Ganda, oh. Pero syempre, still, I'm loving the S23 Plus kasi the S23 Plus is much more bigger. Tsaka pag nagva-vlog ako, mas maganda, mas kita ko yung video. Ito kasi okay naman to, very compact naman ni S24 eh. But the 24 Plus is for, siguro kung nagko-content creation ka, I suggest the 24 Plus. So syempre kung meron kang budget, get the 24 Ultra. Ayan. Okay, what else ba ang kailangan natin gawin? So, nagawa na natin dito sa S23. Napagod na muna siya dito. At let's explore the S24 Plus na. S24 Plus. At here's the, tagalin ko mo yung model natin. Here's the back of the 24 Plus. Still the same size, no? Nga lang, I suggest, no, maglagay kayo ng casing. Kasi yung sa akin, yung nagasgas dito. Kaka-vlog ko. So, mas suggest ko get a jelly case or hard case, whatever cases ba kayo, protektahan nyo para at least maninis pa rin siya. Maraming colors, no? This is the white, may yellow, may Bora purple, tsaka black. Difference of color, meron pa, no? So, ito pinili ko para mas malinis siya. Maganda tignan sa bata. And here's the rear camera. Triple rear camera. Here's the front camera. Ayan. Taas, almost the same din, almost the same. Same spec siya with the 23 camera specs. Ang pinagkakaiba lang is I think that's baka yung storage, no? Ayan. Ganda, grabe. And let's check out the ganda ng build niya, nakakamiss naman yung ganitong size. So let's do another photography featuring our mascot, si Charmander. Galing ko yung zoom niya, yung focusing niya. Picture natin. 1, 2, click. That's the 1X. This is the wide. And this is the zoom. Char. Ayan. Oh, grabe, ang cute to. This is the wide. This is the normal. Normal, wide, and zoom. Ang cute ni Charmander. Ayan. So let's try the video naman. So for video, no, for video. So we're doing a 1x. Maganda rin na daw kayo, may OIS na rin din siya. So check natin to, no. OIS na rin din siya. So usually confident naman ako for the Samsung phones. This time S24 much more advanced kasi may kasama siyang AI. And this is the 1x. This is the wide yan. And this is the zoom. And you can also switch to the front camera while recording. Ito na naman ako. Hello. Ang galing, grabe. Ang galing. Other features, let's check. There's Pro Video, Night Food. Actually, pag nag-video ako, if I'm recording, I'm using the Pro Video. Bakit ginagamit ko to? Kasi pag nagkabit ako ng microphone, nakikita ko itong audio bar na to, no? So nakikita ko nakakabit yung aking microphone. It's still recording the audio. Para at least meron akong indicator. Nga lang parang I think pag nag-record yata, there's no way to shift to the other lens. So okay lang to press stop. And switch to the rear lens, for example. Kung gusto ko lang mag-shoot lang siya. Ayan. Pero, kung gusto ko yung style na nag-switch ako ng lens, I'll just go to the normal video recorder. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko makikita yung audio monitor dito. And that's it for the Samsung S24 Plus. And let's move on. Grabe, napakaganda nitong S24 Ultra. Ultra talaga. At maganda rito, may kasama siyang pen. Hindi ako much more on naka-use ng ganitong phone, no? Na may pen. Automatic na rin siya. Oh. Automatic na rin siya. At may kasama audio habang nagsusulat. Okay, save. Sinibot tuloy yung notes ko. So, okay. So, if I return it here, okay na siya. Ayan. Automatic pala siya, no? First time ko lang kasi nagamit yung pen, eh. Kasi sa mga test, hindi ko siya na-test masyado, eh. So, automatic siya. Ang galing. Pag tinanggal ko ito, lalabas ka agad yung note ko. Hello? Ano yung notes? Saka pa lang siya lumabas. Done. Okay. Enjoy your S Pen. Paano yung kanina ginawa ko? Wala ko pa paano ko nagawa yung kanina. So, nako-off to. Inong ko to. Pag ano ko is, pwede na ako magsulat. Grabe, ang ganda nung nung pen. Going tayo. The usual character na ginagawa ko palagi. Nice! Grabe, ganda. Ang ganda na itong Ultra. So sana naman next time makapag-try tayo nito. No? Let's do explore natin itong si S24 Ultra. They have I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cameras ba to? Tama, no? It's much more bigger siya with the S24 Plus. Kasi ito, 3 camera. Dami, 5. And let's check the front camera. Yeah. Pero square na square siya. Ito medyo curved siya. So, sa top, ito siya. Sa left side, and there's the S Pen at the USB Type-C, tsaka yung SIM, and also the volume and power button. Ganda na itong build, no? Parang, and let's try once again, the camera. Camera tayo ulit. So, may focus enhancer is on. Wow, parang gumanda yung pagka-focus niya. This is 1x. Click. This is 6x. This is 3x. 5x. Focus. Medyo sobrang focus na natin 10x. Masyadong malapit kasi si Charmander. But you can use the up to 100x zoom. Grabe, 100x zoom. Okay ito pag travel kayo. Pwede mo siyang gawing telescope. And let's check the sample photos. Ayan. Galing, di ba? Wait! Mga YouTubers. Let's do a selfie. But I forgot to use this for a selfie. Picture natin. Ayan. Ready tayo ngayon for a food photography. Toy photography pala. And for the video, I'm recording it with the front camera. Ayan. Ay, naku, grabe. Ganda ng ultra. Nakikita ko pala yung front camera niya. Ibang-iba yung quality ng front camera niya. And I can switch to the rear camera. Click ko lang yan. And boom. Focus enhancer is off daw. So, paano yun? Yan, on na. Okay, ganun pala. Pwede ko pag i-on pala yung focus enhancer niya. Okay. That's nice. And here we go. Audio. Grabe. Ito lang ultra. Nakikita ko pala yung front camera niya. Ibang-iba yung quality ng front camera niya. And I can switch to the rear. Ayun. Nice. Ay siguro, I think mamaya mag-try tayo ng more video vlog test. No? So, napakita ko na sa inyo ito. At after na to is I'll do a test of their new AI technology sa Samsung Galaxy S24. Okay? Balik tayo ngayon sa ibang mesa. Okay, let's try they call it the audio translator, voice recorder. So, ang voice recorder na to. And a voice recorder. Meron siyang tasawag na transcript daw eh. Let's try there's no recording, so ito pala yung how you can use the voice recorder na may transcribe. Just click to record. You can speak. Hi guys, my name is Azrael. Welcome to my channel. Yada. And yun. We're here sa Samsung. So plus natin to, save natin. And you click the voice at merong transcribe na lalabas. Kailangan pala talaga online ka. So select language. So yung voice ko will be ayan oh. Hi guys, my name is Azrael. Welcome to my channel. Yeah. Ever heard you Samsung? Hindi nga lang niya nakarinig yung boses ko. Parang walang audio. No? Dahil maingay. For summary, can you also add summary? Okay siya, gumagana na yung transcript niya for the voice recording. And here's notes daw. Kanina na demo to, no? Sa notes mo, you can create a translation. You can translate your notes to, for example, Spanish. Ayan, nag-Spanish na yung article niya. You can replace it or you can click summarize. So yung article na to will be summarized. Ayan, no? Galing, no? For the notes yan, ha? Galing. Yung one of the features ni Samsung Galaxy S24, yung parang Google Lens style or assisted AI to know a certain item. For example, this picture. Gusto ko malaman yung sapatos niya, no? Kung anong brand yan, I want to buy it, for example. All I have to do is press the home button, ayan, at lalabas na yung parang Google Lens. So, I'll let to circle lang din ito. At nag-search na rin din siya. And boom, it's a Adidas Samba. So, may price ako nakita. At kung anong brand niya. So it's ganun lang yung style niya, no? And for example, I want to know for example, the jacket, no? For example, no? Press ko lang to. Sana makita niya yung jacket, no? Add to your search. Okay, search. Searching na siya. I think baka nalilito siya, no? Hindi niya ata alam kung saan glasses ba yung sinesearch ko or yung jacket. Ayun, lumabas na. People yung inano niya. Pero style of jacket, pinakita pa rin din niya. Oh, almost the same, no? Galing, ha? O, diba? Kung naghanap ka ng mga peg, for example, mga artista, you can use it. At so, pwede rin daw sa mga for travel. For example, gusto ko malaman kung saang lugar to sa Korea. So, I need to press this home button at circle ko tong mountain. At nag-search siya. It says it is in Gyeongjong. Uy, galing, ha? Gyeongjong, Seoul, South Korea. Kasi yung bundok niya, tsaka yung parang may temple doon. Ayan, no? Galing, ha? Okay, that's the one of the AI na fini-feature ngayon ni Samsung Galaxy S24. Gusto ko try yung ano, for the photos naman. For example, I want to remove this character sa photo. Ayan. So, kunyari, ano ta, no? Let's click edit. At paano ba yon? Click here. Try to generate daw. So, ayan. Generate natin to. Ayan siya ilipat sa side. Ayan. Ilipat natin si Charmander sa gilid. The AI will do its thing. Antayin natin kung anong itsura niya. Okay na to for your graphics publishing, no? Or baka nagkamali ka ng photo, pwede mo ilipat yung subject sa any corner. At yung background, it will create a AI-generated background. So, antayin natin to. Nagbibuild siya ng scenery, grabe. Antayin natin. Tagal niya mag-painting, ha? Ayun. So, nga lang yung shadow niya, nung hindi niya natanggal. Malinis dito pero yung shadow hindi nakakasanggal. Pero syempre kung gusto mo makita yung original, gawa nga nung shadow niya. Ayun, no. Ito yung original and this is the generated output. So, hindi niya tanggal yung shadow. Pero okay to for example, for travel. For example, pinakita ko picture dito, no. For travel. Ayan, for example, I'm not sure kung gagana to, no. Siguro, ito, ginawa to kanina, no? I think pwede naman palang downloaded photos, no? For example, I want to remove that guy. Pwede ba itong alisin tong guy na to? Alisin natin ito. Oops. Deselect. Ayan. Pwede natin siya alis. Lagay natin siya dito. Out of the picture. Pwede ba? Pwede ba siyang tanggalin? Out of the picture. Parang, halimbawa, dito lang siya. Masulok na yan. Ayan. So ito, mapi-fill up na yan. Ito yung mga ginagamit nila eh. Pero ako hindi ako fan of this. Pero minsan kasi perfect yung pagka-AI generated niya. Okay na. Pero for me kasi, as a photographer, gusto ko as is yun na eh. Pero for fun, you can remove people on the photo. It's part of their AI feature. Ayan, for example, ayan. No? Nailipat niya yung guy. Ito yung original. This is the original. At ito yung guy. Nag-create siya ng sarili niyang AI background here to erase the church. So, yung hindi ko pa natatry yung ano eh, yung bubura ka ng tao. Pwede ba yun? Edit. Paano ba mag-erase ng ano dito? Hindi ako marunong mag-erase eh. Okay. Paano ba alisin ito? Ito, halimbawa, ito alisin natin. Pwede ba ito tanggalin? Ayun. Okay. So, tinanggal ko yung isang babae. Okay. Yung isang babae, tinanggal ko. Ngayon ko na nagamit to, no? Pero, nakakatuwa. Magpasaya naman pala siyang gamitin. Here's the new sculpting, painting in the pixel. So, walang ipakita sa inyo eh, pero na-amaze tuloy ako. Hindi ko kasi ginagamit yung feature sa S23 ko. Pero sa S24, meron din siya. Ito yung pinaka-popular thing. You can remove mga tao sa mga travel photos nyo. Ayan, painting in the pixel. So, dinodrawingan pa niya yung background na naiwan, natanggal doon. Added the missing pieces. At least buti may may mga text siya, no? Sculpting new scenery. Alright. Tagal Tinanggal ko lang isang tao, tagal niya magano. Ayun, nangyari. Ayaw niya. So, nagkakaroon siya ng problema. So, kailangan mo i-perfect lang yung style niya. Okay. Pa yung kailangan natin dito. So, yung mga ibang feature, pakita ko na lang yung mga footage clip, no? Tapos, i-ano ko na lang. i-voice over ko na lang para mapakita ko sa inyo ibang features pa ni Samsung Galaxy S24.
Alright, so it says here, hello, this call is being translated in live caption. So it's being translated to English to English. Okay? So let's see. Yeah, I request everyone to be just on mute first so that, or to be like silent so that she will be able to hear what I'm gonna say. Okay, so, Annyeong. Oops.
There we go.
There you go. So what's nice about it, also sorry, it's capturing what I'm saying right now, but what's nice about it is that it also has call logs. So you'll be able to see what the conversation is about. So if the other person on the line actually replies or uses a different language, you'll be able to understand what he or she says, and then you'll be able to see if some of your conversations were captured or in. And next, about the writing styles. Actually, this is personally one of my favorite features, yung writing styles. So let's say I'm messaging Dom, asking him, what's up, let's hang later. So for writing styles, again, you just have to click the icon with the stars, so your Galaxy AI icon. And then aside from the chat translation, you can also do writing styles. So now it's fluffing up my words. And it shows me how can I say it in a professional manner. So it says, hello, I hope this goes well.
Makikihangout lang, yung ano pangaba.
Just need to record myself, and then it will translate it into Korean. So let's say I'm talking to a Korean person abroad, asking for directions. Hello, where is the direction going to the bus station? Let's say I'm abroad, and then yeah, there you go. You can actually just flip it also and do it in Korean. So you ask someone to record it in Korean. So I'm pressing it now, but I can't speak fluent Korean, but it will also interpret it in English, so that the person can reply to me in Korean, and it will be translated to English.
Alright, that's it guys for our vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. You can try the new Samsung Galaxy S24. Just go to any Samsung Galaxy Experience Store sa mga mall nyo. Meron sa Mega Mall. Any mall meron yan. At naka-display na ito right after the Samsung Galaxy Unpack event. So, ayan. Abangan nyo, no? May magkakaroon to ng launching, and alalaman natin kung magkano siya, and also the tech specs of this phone. So, sana makapag-unbox tayo and use a new Samsung Galaxy S24. I'm ready to surrender my S23 at palitan na ng S24 na Ultra para maka-experience naman tayo for this year. So, ayun. So, thank you guys for watching. So, I hope you enjoyed my tech feature for today featuring Samsung Philippines na event. Ito, na-try natin itong Samsung Galaxy S24. Finally, in 2024, this is the new big thing, the best phone for me. Talagang panalo. Taga nyo sa bato yan kasi I'm using it. Ginagamit ko yung 23 at saka 24. Super na-excite ako. Lalo na for the Ultra. No? Ang ganda ng zoom niya. I wanna use a zoom sa mga travel videos ko soon. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So I hope you enjoy it. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much Samsung Philippines for this. At nakita-kits tayo sa next tech video. Alright.